Well, greetings, interwebs. I've been here at the Tropical Beach House for a year now. Thought it might be kind of fun to take a look back, see where we started, see where things went, and just see how things are going. I've been here all by myself for a year now. My daughter is home right now from college because it's summer. She's leaving in next month. I'll be all by myself all again. Whew. Anyway, let's get to it, shall we? Okay, now we're gonna go down the hallway. This closet, it's just, yeah, winter coats and storage and things like that. Typical hall closet. And of course, gotta have family pictures. And here is the hall bathroom, currently in use by a teenager home from college. So yeah, it's messy, but not too bad. The hall bedroom, the hall bedroom, this would be my son's room. If I ever get to see my son again, still fighting in the courts. And I don't know, hopefully I'll get to see my little man again. Can't tell you how much I miss him. Okay, this room, a teenager lives in there. We'll avoid it. Linen closet full of, well, linens. And now, my bedroom, where all the magic happens, as they say. First, my closet. Nice big walk-in. It's definitely a guy's room. It's all black lacquer and such. And by magic, I mean trying to get at least 6 hours of sleep, but not a lot of luck with that usually. And the master bathroom with all this wonderful tile done by the amazing Jimmy the Tile Guy. Y'all remember him. And he's going to be coming back because we've actually found a problem. Apparently, I don't know if you can see this too well in the video. You see that big crack? Apparently the slab underneath is cracked and it caused the tile to crack. And not just that one, but here by the door, there's another big crack going through the tile. And since the rest of the house is either carpet or laminate flooring, it doesn't show up. But this is hard tile and it does. So Jimmy's going to come back out and redo the flooring. He's going to put down that red rubber stuff like he put behind the tile in the bathrooms. That will absorb any movement of the concrete underneath and prevent the tiles from cracking again. He's the expert. I defer to his expertise.
He slings stone, slams ceramic, and pushes porcelain. He's Jimmy the Tile Guy. No installations too tough. Kitchen and bath remodeling and more. Pro service. Affordable rates. Jimmy the Tile Guy. Call 923-1188 or visit jimmythetileguy.com.
If you've seen any of my cooking videos, you know that's the magic kitchen where I cook everything. A rice cooker, of course, because my daughter's home. There's an Asian in the house. Now, the little mini fridge here, that was in my daughter's dorm. That used to be in my office, the probation office. And when I retired, I brought it home and gave it to my daughter. She took it to her college dorm room. Well, she's home right now, so this is just a drink fridge. It's useful to rehearse right here because my computer is right there. So I get all the music sent to me from the church, from the worship leader, and I can practice sitting there in front of the computer looking at all of it with my amp just right here. Kind of handy. Now let's go see what's through this door, which by now you should know is the garage. AC, washer and dryer, some shelves, and of course my truck, my amazing network rack, and more shelving, and the drop down for the attic. It's a garage. What can I say? Well, there you have it, interwebs. That's the tropical beach house 1 year after moving in. It's also been 1 year since my heart attack, so at least that's getting better. The old ticker seems to be doing well. I've been cleared to exercise, so I can start getting rid of some of this. My blood pressure is doing well. Everything seems to be back in order. And hopefully there's another 20 years or more in the house. So, on that hopeful look at the future, is seeing you.
Every weekend, same old routine. You plan too much to do, you know what I mean. You stay out late on Saturday night, and you lose your beauty sleep, and oh, what a sight. You say it's a habit that you can't seem to break, so you push the snooze alarm until you finally wake. But by the time you've got a major decision, do you go on to church or do you watch First Baptist on the television?